Hello friends, welcome to the Learning Club. In this tutorial, I am going to show you a very interesting thing. How can you transform this PDF into images or PNG file, JPG file as you wish. So these are the temples in India PDF, and now I convert this PDF file to multiple images. So how can I do? Let's see. So at first you have to require a Python package that name is PDF to image. So just open the cmd command prompt and install this Python package. Just type pip install pdf pdf to image pdf to image, and this is the Python package in my case already satisfied. So here I have to import the convert from path from PDF to images. So just type from PDF to image this, and now just import convert from path this Python file, and now just type images. This is a variable, and now just type convert from path this function, and this function will take what PDF path. That means this PDF path. So I'm working in the same dir, that means same directory, so I don't have to put the full path of this PDF file. I just have to put the name of this PDF file, templesindia.pdf. So I just copy this name and paste it here, and just type .pdf. Okay, so now you have to enter the DPI, but default DPI is 200. So you can choose it 500, 400, it's up to you. Okay, and now very important thing, you have to choose the poppler path. So just type poppler path, and now you have to install the poppler. Just go to the Google, and I will put this link into the description box, just check it. And here just download any poppler, just click on it, and now just go to downloads and copy this and paste it here in the same directory, and now extract the files. Okay, this is the poppler, and now go to bean, and now just copy this bean path. I just copied this bean path, and here poppler path is, here I use the regular expression and just put the path. Okay, this is the poppler bean path, that means this path. You have to copy this path and paste it here. Okay, this is the poppler path. Now hit the enter, and now just type any variable x, I, or here I just take a variable x and x equal to 1, and now just type for image in images. What is the images? Images are this, for image in images, and now just type image dot save, and what is the output file name? So output file name, I just want to output, and just concatenate with the variable x. Okay, so every time I just want to increase this variable by 1. So for the first output, this will be output 1.png, for the second output 2.png. So that's why I just take this variable x. So here just type str x, and now just type plus, that means concatenate. Now concatenate with your extension .png, .jpg, whatever you want. Here I use the png, and now just do a comma and just type png. This is a file extension. Okay, so now increase this value of x by 1. So here it's very simple, x equal x plus 1. Otherwise you can also use x plus equal to 1. Both are same. Okay, so x equal x plus 1. So I think this is ready, and now just delete it, and all are ready. So just click on run, and you have to wait some time. You can see the output has been ready. Okay, these all are the output. So you can see here, just go to back and back. This is the directory, and you can see the output 1, output 2, output 3, output 4. So here I have increased this one value by 1 2 3 4 5 6. So that means all output files names are different. So that's why here I use this variable. Okay, now you can understand why I use this variable x. Okay, so these are the output. Now these all are the images, the temples of India. Okay. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. I hope you will enjoy the video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you, friends.